In this Universe Sandbox video, we're going to be attempting to terraform both of Mars's moons, Phobos and Deimos, which are very, very small objects. So let's see if we can do it. Okay, so here's our terraformed Mars that we did in another video, and you can see we have Phobos and Deimos going around it. I think we're going to start with Deimos because it's further away, so it should be a little bit easier. You can see it has a very interesting shape. So let's start by just trying to put an atmosphere on it. So it says that the atmosphere is on it. I'm not sure if it really is though. Let's try adding some hydrogen. Oh, it just all shot past it. Okay, so you can see as I add it, it starts adding and then it just immediately goes back to 0. So it is not massive enough. So we're gonna actually have to start by adding some mass. Let's just give it enough mass so it's kind of like circular instead of asteroid shape. Whoa, we got a lot of fragments coming off. Let's delete those. So it looks like after adding the mass, it kind of cleared our surface map, but we can just come back into here and go to Deimos. So it looks like it kind of got a little bit destroyed by adding all of that mass. Let's bring in an atmosphere. But we're just going to keep it like that. I kind of like the way that looks. It's just kind of like a standard map that we can definitely do some stuff with. So now the size is about, let's see, about 0.5% of the moon's mass. So it's still really, really small. Here's the original size of Deimos. So we did make it a lot bigger, but we needed to. And if we compare it to the size of the moon, you can see it's still really, really small. So we're gonna see if we can get it habitable just from this. So I'm gonna try to add some hydrogen again to it. It looks like it's sticking now, which is good. Ooh, we got like a black ring on it. We should also be able to get some water to stick to it. So let's try adding some water. And then just settle that. It looks like it splits like 50-50, which is kind of interesting. If we could have like half of it be a desert and half of it be an ocean because of the way this elevation map is going. But it looks like the water is sticking now. So now let's make our atmosphere a little thicker. Let's see how much it's going to get heated up naturally. So it's cooling down. Let's add some more layers. Okay, it's staying pretty stable now at around 14. And let's go ahead and add some clouds. Perfect. And I also want to add some city lights. And we're gonna make them pink. So if we go in the back, you can see there's a little bit. Boom, city lights on Deimos. And let's check the habitability. We got 17.2 on a moon. And it's really cool actually. Half of it is water and half of it's not. Let's add a little bit of vegetation on it to make it look cooler. Like that. We got big boy Deimos and it's habitable. Now let's do Phobos. The Phobos is slightly larger. But it is closer, so I'm worried that once we add some mass, it's gonna maybe destroy it from the Roche limit. But let's add some mass because we know we're gonna have to add that already just to get it circular. Okay, we got it a little bit bigger now, and it looks like it did the same thing where it cleared the height map. And ooh, that's looking pretty. I don't want that to get ripped apart by tidal forces. It looks like it's okay. It is tidally locked, which is cool. Fix this temperature. Okay. And it's glitching out a little bit. This is where we added the mass. So let's check our elevation map, make it back to Phobos. So that looks like it's kind of working. And then visuals, let's also change the map to Phobos. Perfect. Okay, so same thing here. Let's add a little bit of hydrogen now. Okay, that should probably be enough. And now let's add some water. And let's settle that water. Ooh, that's a cool distribution of water. I actually really like that. And then let's go ahead with the atmosphere and add that. And then adjust the visuals on it. Perfect. Add some vegetation. And let's change the color a little bit. Looks like it's not vegetation everywhere, but that's okay. That's pretty cool still. It's like half vegetation, half not. Let's make sure that our atmosphere layers are going to be good still. Okay, perfect. 15.8 Celsius. It's pretty good. Let's add some city lights. And for these, let's make can we do like white city lights? Yeah, like that. Let's get a better seed. Okay, that's a little bit better. And let's check our habitability. 26.1. Perfect. So we actually can terraform Phobos and Deimos. And we actually did get Phobos a little bit bigger, which is realistic because it's like that already. If you guys want to see all of the planets we've done so far, I uploaded them all to the workshop. The link's in the description, so check that out. And leave down below what you'd like to see me terraform next. And I'll see you guys next time.